You know that feeling? Staring at a job description, your heart races with excitement. Then your finger hovers over the close tab button. A tiny voice inside, "It's too much. I'm not ready." That flicker of self-doubt, that urge to retreat, isn't a sign of weakness. It's a battle against a quiet lie we've all been told, a subtle pressure to dim our own light. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on that lie, explore why wanting more for your career doesn't make you difficult, and uncover the real truth. It means you're ready to grow. Because the world needs your ambition, not your excuses. For too long, the professional world and society at large has had a complicated relationship with ambition, especially when it comes from certain places. Imagine this: a man in a meeting states his goals clearly and confidently, and he's often seen as a visionary, a go-getter. A woman, same meeting, same confidence, same goals. Suddenly, she might be labeled bossy, aggressive, or worse, difficult. It's a double standard as old as time, and it's insidious because it doesn't just come from external voices, it sneaks into our own minds. This isn't just about gender, though it's undeniably a huge part of it. It's about anyone who dares to reach further, to want a bigger slice of the pie, to aim for the top. The moment you express a desire for promotion, a hunger for leadership, or even just a wish to have more influence in your role, you risk being seen as someone who isn't a team player, someone who is always pushing, always wanting more. It's a narrative that paints ambition as a flaw, a character defect, rather than the powerful engine for progress that it truly is. We internalize these messages, sometimes without even realizing it. We start to believe that being too ambitious is a negative trait, something to hide, something to apologize for. And that's where the real damage is done. Let's get something straight right now. Wanting promotion, leadership, or influence does not make you difficult. It means you are ready to grow. It means you are ready to step up, to contribute on a larger scale, to tackle new challenges, and to make a bigger impact. This is not a personal flaw. It's a sign of a healthy, evolving professional spirit. Ambition is not a burden you carry. It's a compass pointing towards your potential. Think about it. Every great innovation, every meaningful change, every step forward in any field started with someone's ambition. Someone wanted to do something better, bigger, different. Let's dive into a common, painfully relatable scenario. Picture this: it's late evening. The house is finally quiet. You're sitting at your laptop, a half-empty mug of tea beside you, scrolling through job listings. You stumble upon it, a job description for a role that makes your stomach flutter. It's a stretch, yes, but it's also everything you've been dreaming of. The title is impressive, the responsibilities are challenging, exactly the kind of growth you crave. Your heart gives a little leap. Then, as you read the requirements, listing skills you're 80% sure you have, experience you almost meet, and leadership qualities that resonate deeply, that familiar whisper starts. Are you really qualified? What if you get it and fail? They'll think you're overreaching. You're perfectly comfortable where you are now. Why rock the boat? Your finger hovers, not over the apply button, but the close tab button. That little X in the corner, promising a return to comfortable complacency. It's a moment of truth, a silent battle playing out in the quiet of your mind. This hesitation, this near closure of the tab, isn't just about the job. It symbolizes a deeper internal conflict. It's the clash between your genuine, undeniable desire for professional evolution and the heavy weight of societal pressures, coupled with the internalized biases that tell you to play it safe, to stay small, to not be too much. You start to pick apart the description, not for reasons to apply, but for reasons not to. You minimize your achievements, downplay your skills, and exaggerate the gaps. You find yourself almost talking yourself out of something before you've even given yourself a real shot. But then, something shifts. Maybe it's a memory of a mentor's encouraging words. Maybe it's a sudden jolt of frustration with your current ceiling. Maybe it's just sheer stubbornness kicking in. The thought crosses your mind. What if I don't apply? What if I let this opportunity slip away because of fear? Because of someone else's idea of what I should be? And in that moment, a quiet defiance rises. You take a deep breath. Your finger moves not to the X, but slowly, deliberately, to the Apply Now button. That act, that simple click, despite the initial hesitation, is critical. It is a testament to personal resilience. It demonstrates courage to pursue growth in the face of doubt. This simple act, applying for a job that feels just out of reach, taking a leap into the unknown, represents a pivotal moment of self-affirmation. It's you telling yourself and the world that your ambition is valid, that your desire to grow is worthy, and that you refuse to let fear or outdated notions dictate your path. It's not just about getting the job, it's about reclaiming your right to aspire. Let's reinterpret what these desires actually mean. Wanting more in your career isn't arrogance. It's a sign that you have more to give, more to learn, and more to achieve. It's about leveraging your talents more fully. Think of it like this. If you have a powerful engine, do you keep it in the garage, or do you take it out on the open road? Your talent, your drive, your ambition, that's your powerful engine. Aspiring to leadership roles is not selfishness. It's a commitment to guide, to inspire, to develop others, and to shape a better future for your organization. Leaders are problem solvers, visionaries, and motivators. If you feel that pull, it's often because you see a path forward that others might not, or you possess the unique blend of skills and empathy to empower a team. Studies consistently show that diverse leadership teams lead to better financial performance and more innovative solutions. Your unique perspective, your desire to lead, could be exactly what a team or company needs to thrive. Seeking influence within an organization isn't about being pushy. It's about wanting your voice to be heard, your ideas to contribute, and your work to make a meaningful difference. It means you are engaged, invested, and passionate about the outcomes. It signifies a willingness to embrace new challenges, to develop new skills, to contribute at a higher level, to expand your capabilities, and to take on greater responsibility. These are not flaws. They are the very hallmarks of a valuable, evolving professional. You're not being difficult. You're being dedicated. You're not being selfish. You're being impactful. This core argument directly confronts those harmful stereotypes that have plagued ambitious women, and really, anyone who doesn't fit a narrow, prescribed mold of what a professional should be. Ambitious women are not difficult. They are driven to learn, lead, and make an impact. They are often the ones who are thinking 3 steps ahead, identifying inefficiencies and pushing for innovation. Their ambition isn't a burden. It's a superpower, a wellspring of potential waiting to be tapped. Empowerment truly comes from embracing these desires for promotion, leadership, and influence. It comes from owning your ambition, loudly and proudly. Don't let societal pressures or self-doubt dim your aspirations. Those whispers telling you to play it safe, to stay small, are robbing you and the world of your full potential. Your ambitions are the very foundation for your professional growth. They are the blueprints for the next, more impactful version of yourself. The act of applying, of taking that leap of faith, of daring to want more, is not just a career move. It's an act of self-love, an affirmation that you are worthy of every single thing you dream of. So, do not shrink your ambition. Let it soar. The world is waiting for you to lead. If you're ready to take the next step in owning your ambition, click here to watch our video on crafting a standout resume.